Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connection so the headphones can reach full output. First, make sure battery is above 20%. Low charge can throttle volume. Next, verify the Solo 3 is paired and selected as the audio output on your phone or computer. Once done, check firmware status in the Beats or device settings and update if available, because firmware can adjust gain and safety limits, so this step may directly affect achievable loudness. Now you optimize the source and headphone controls to safely raise loudness. On your phone or computer, push the system volume to max first. This avoids software-level attenuation. Then, use the headphone controls to fine-tune. Pressing the volume up increases Bluetooth gain. Also check the device equalizer. Some presets lower mids and make music sound quieter. Choose flat or a modest bass boost instead. Finally, disable any volume limiters or battery saver audio profiles, because those can cap output even when both ends are high. Finish by verifying results and handling issues. Play several tracks and different apps. Some services normalize loudness or limit peak levels, so testing isolates the problem. If volume remains capped, power cycle both headphones and the source device. This clears transient Bluetooth or driver faults. If that fails, perform a factory reset on the Solo 3 or reinstall firmware via the Beats app, because corrupted settings can lock output. For persistent hardware limits, contact Beats support. There may be a safety limiter or defect requiring service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.